So today we are going to register on the ChatGPT. So we'll try to use it today a little bit. So to get to the ChatGPT, open the Google and write ChatGPT. Okay. So you'll get this one result on the top. Click on here. Okay. And now you can click on try ChatGPT. And here you can click on sign up. Here you can type your email address and continue. It will ask for your mobile number as well. Then it will send you the OTP. Once you will verify, the account will be created. I have already created an account, so I'll show you how does it look like. So I have already created an account, so that's how it does look like. So now here you can see it's the text box. Here you can type your query. So these are the example. It says explain quantum computing. So if I click on that and hit enter, it will give me the explain quantum computing. Right. And anytime I can just stop generating, and it will stop generating this thing. So yeah, and whenever you will query your first thing, this particular chat will be named after that. So let me click on new chat as well, and here also you can see the capabilities. So what it does is it remembers what user said in earlier conversation, allows user to provide follow-up corrections, train to decline inappropriate request. So yeah, and also limitations: occasionally generate incorrect information, since it has fed some information from the internet, right? So it will not be always correct, so do not rely on this 100%. And may occasionally produce harmful instruction and biased content, and also limited knowledge of word and events after 2021. Okay, so let's check train to decline inappropriate request. What's in it? Second one is by openai. So yeah, it gives out dishonesty, hate speech, personal information, anything that could be harmful to others. It cannot produce the content. Okay, so now what we can do, maybe I can ask for write a select statement in SQL. Okay, so it gave me the select statement. So it gave me the select statement. Okay, so that's it. You can query multiple things on this. I'll go over the other things in the next video. Thank you for watching.